We believe that the key to the future lies not just in raw data, but in transforming that data into powerful insights that guide our decisions and achieve extraordinary results. This is our mission: to blend artificial intelligence with human management experience, creating a synergy that elevates businesses to a new level. We believe that the combination of human intelligence, artificial intelligence, and management experience not only shapes the future of business, but also fosters an environment of continuous learning and evolution. We are excited about the opportunities ahead and confident that, together, we will reach new heights of success and innovation. We invite you to join us on this journey, where every step is guided by the wisdom of the past, the innovation of the present, and the promise of the future. Triskin Management, Intelligence and Provider.